In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, efficiency and safety are top priorities. When it comes to industrial grinding of welds and hard coatings, traditional manual methods not only take significantly longer, but also expose workers to hazardous conditions. The process requires intense physical effort, precision, and often results in prolonged exposure to harmful particles that can affect workers' long-term health. However, by leveraging automated grinding solutions, we can transform this time-consuming, high-risk task into one that is faster, more precise, and safer for everyone involved. At BP Automation, our robotic grinding systems streamline production, reduce human risk, and ensure consistent, high-quality results, keeping your operations running smoothly and safely. Grinding chromium carbide is a difficult task that can take humans days to complete and leads to many health risks. When grinding, tiny particles of metals like cadmium, chromium, cobalt, and nickel can become airborne. If you inhale these particles, they can enter your lungs and cause physical damage to your lung tissue. Using heavy grinders all day can lead to soft tissue and muscle injuries, both short and long-term. Automating this process eliminates the hazard to humans and increases manufacturing efficiency. From our testing, we have seen a drastic reduction in the amount of time it takes to grind with our robotic solution. At BP Automation, we strive to create automated solutions that take humans out of dangerous working conditions while also improving manufacturing throughput. Give us a call and we will evaluate your application for automation success.